Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I've been getting a lot of requests about this video, and surprisingly, it's not about cars. It's about my garage and the flooring tiles. So today, I'll be showing you how I installed the garage floor tiles. This is a 2-car garage, about 400 square feet, and it's considered a finished garage. What that means is the drywall is installed and everything's painted. Also, the electrical lighting is wired up. This is why I started focusing more on the flooring. Now, I could have gone 2 different routes. I could have done epoxy coating, and I've actually done epoxy coating on a few different garages, and I was tired of that look, and I wanted something different. So my buddies recommended me an alternative option, which was garage tiles. I ordered all the material from Garage Flooring LLC. This is called a rib design, and the color is alloy. It's kind of like silver. Looks pretty cool. When you step back and look at it from a different angle, the tiles show different lighting because of its patterns. I figured having a brighter tile would look good. I was kind of skeptical about getting these tiles, but I've seen a few photos online and I really like the new modern look. The first thing I did was take measurements of my garage. Then I went to the Garage Flooring website and used their flooring designer program. The program was very user-friendly and it gives you an idea of what your garage could look like. I decided to keep it simple with 2 tones and a black box. The total cost of the materials from the Garage Flooring LLC was $1,308.90, and the shipping was free. The tools needed for this project are safety gear, tape measure, straight edge, table saw, and rubber mallet. A few of these things can be substituted. When you're laying out the first tiles, you can start from either corner of the front of the garage. Then you'll connect the corner and lay out tiles into the garage. This will make an L shape, and just follow the pattern from there. You can see it's not hard to snap these tiles together. You can do it by hand, but I recommend a rubber mallet. If your garage is really square, you'll be done and you can celebrate. But if your garage is like mine, then you're going to have to make some custom cuts for areas like this. The straight edge and tape measure will be your bread and butter for making templates. Mock it up and make some cuts. This specific tile design doesn't expand, so you can get as close to the wall as you want. For cutting tiles, you can use a miter saw, table saw, tin snips, razor blade, hacksaw, whatever you want. I will say it's much quicker and cleaner to use power tools, so use them if you got them. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hit the like button if you're considering flooring tiles in your garage. See y'all in the next video.